Nigerian government just bought 360 units of this SUV. There must be some reason behind it. So we thought, why not visit our friends at Golden Safe to show you people what the official car of the Nigerian lawmaker feels like. When you unlock the car, the first thing you notice is the power auto retractable mirrors. Immediately, you know your money is talking. This one is a Toyota LC300 VXR and it sells for only 145 million naira. Look at the headlamps and massive grills. I won't lie to you, from the exterior, this car definitely looks like a 145 million naira vehicle. Now let's check out the interior. It has this very smooth leather steering wheel with wood finishes. And this year, Toyota gave us a 3.5 liter V6 twin turbo engine. The twin turbo engine is something that has never been done before, especially not in the Land Cruiser. With the LC300, you get a 10-speed automatic transmission. With these buttons here, you can switch between off-road, on-road, four-wheel drive, in case you need to do some dirty work, as a senator. You go to your constituency and maybe roads are not so motorable. That's why you get these large 20-inch alloyed wheels to tackle any terrains in whichever mode you choose. You get normal, eco, and sport. This car just feels so good and so cool. There are a number of buttons around here though, so it might be a bit confusing when you just begin to use it. But you see this AC? It has a power lift gate. It almost hits my head. You also get a power folding third row seat. It was not easy raising them up at the beginning. And honestly, they don't look too comfortable. No leg space. This is me enjoying senator privileges with the backseat entertainment system. These are Type-C charging ports and a 220-watt power outlet for those that are sitting down behind. You also get a cooler so you can take your drinks on the go. Look at the lights at the back. Feels like bathroom lights. Wireless mobile charger. To crown it all, you get a 12.3-inch integrated display audio. Do you think this car is worthy of our senators? For more videos like this, kindly follow us